I'd like to talk about the Wazowski chair method to starting an improv scene. One of the things that I find very difficult about starting opening scenes is creating an emotional connection between the two people on stage. One where the two actors know exactly what the dynamic, where one's sitting down, the other's standing, one goes, I need you to leave right now. I need you to get out of here. Go. Why are you still standing there? Get out of here. I can't be around you right now. Please. I can't bear to look at you after what you've done. And there's clearly a dynamic that the other character can take off of that. When I open the scene with leave, get out of here. I can't stand looking at you right now. The other actor knows exactly that their character is going to be someone that is not going to goddamn go. It's snowing outside. And one of the things that I find through David's teaching very difficult opening scenes is you're not really getting much. You don't really have anything to go off. And that's the difficulty with improv. You don't fucking have anything to go off of. One of the things that I absolutely love about his teaching of opening a scene by carrying around a chair, it feels like you're carrying around an emotion in this chair. Do you see what I'm talking about right now? Do you gauge the power that this has right here, this chair? Simply placing it down, solidifying what this chair is. It changes who you are, changes who your character is. It's powerful. It's powerful. I don't really have much confidence, honestly, in presenting what to do with this chair here, because I don't really have another person to do it with. I feel there's such a beauty in having the dynamic of you have two people wandering around, ooh, 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 and the eventual dance leads them right beside each other. Then you know the two of you are going to be like arm in arm. Or the other person may try to start to do that, and the person's sort of like, don't do it again. Don't do that again. And it's like, there's a dynamic there. And it's so beautiful because you, as actors, are distant from the characters, yet you're portraying characters that aren't distant from their characters. It's such a beautiful dynamic that is possible with improv that just isn't seen. That's the other example I have of the dance of chairs. If someone puts the other one runs over the side and sort of puts away, and you know this person's gonna be like, again, you did it again. Really, can't fucking stand. Probably not as dramatic as that, but the dynamic between the chairs is what creates the start of a scene.